Creating a playlist. This is a Windows Media Player. This is a list pane. It contains all your media list. Drag items here to add them to your new playlist. Now let's drag this media file to the playlist. The selected media is added to your playlist. And currently it is playing. To see the list of media file added to your playlist, right-click and select Show List. Another way to add the media file to the playlist is right-click on selected media file and select Add to Windows Media Player list. To save your playlist, select Save List button and give your suitable playlist name. We have created the playlist.